How to add Cardano on Trust Wallet app. Are you guys facing issues to add Cardano on your Trust Wallet app? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open Trust Wallet app. Once you open the app, now look at the top right corner of your screen where you can see this icon over here. Click on it. Once you click on it, now tap on search bar and search for Cardano. To add Cardano, just toggle this option over here. Once you toggle it, now go back to your home page. Now again click on Cardano. Now tap on receive. With the help of this QR code and wallet address, you'll be able to receive Cardano from different crypto wallets. And that's it guys, that's how we're gonna add Cardano on a Trust Wallet app. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next one. Bye bye.